What's up, math scholars and math haters? This is Mr. W. Today we're going to tackle question 27 in the 5th grade math questions that North Carolina released this past school year. The question tells us that the length of a shoe is 25 centimeters, and we're supposed to find out how long the shoe is in meters. And it does give us a little guide down here that 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. So to do really well in a question like this is the first question that I've seen going through these questions grade by grade that will have us practice making a number table and finding patterns in order to solve a problem like this. Well, maybe not the first, there might have been one other. But anyway, this is a really important skill that you'll end up using for the rest of your career as a math student. You might know it already, but if not already, you'll definitely hear the word at some point later on, proportion. So we're going to use similar ideas to what are called proportions here. But essentially, I'm going to make a number table, a very crude number table where I have a column for meters and a column for centimeters. I'm going to make one row with all of this information. 1 meter is 100 centimeters. And now, I'm going to look at the information that the problem gives me and say that this is 25 centimeters. And so now I'm going to look for, since this is my unknown, I'm going to look for a multiplying or dividing pattern that either goes to the left or down. And I'll go ahead and use my pattern of going to the left because it's a little easier to see what's going on there. So from right to left, to get from 100 to 1, I have to divide by 100. Since I'm dividing by 100 in the top row, I'm going to have to do the same thing in the bottom row to keep my pattern going. And that looks way too much like a 0 now, so let me erase that. So now all I need to do to get this number here that I don't know, that represents how many meters go with 25 centimeters, I just have to do 25 divided by 100. And I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. 25 divided by 100, and that's 0.25. I look for 0.25 as one of my answer choices, and it's choice A. So 0.25 and choice A. And that's it. That's all we needed to do for a problem like this.